And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a bookmark icon. We'll use a rectangle like this. Don't hold any keys, just freeform drag. Now we'll use the polygon tool right here, activate it in the top menu and use 3 corners. I'll hold Ctrl when I rotate it. I give it a red fill, then I hold Shift and click on the X to get rid of the stroke. I've got the snapping enabled, and I just use the default functions of it that are active when you start Inkscape. Now the corners, they snap into the corners of the rectangle, and I transform it a little bit. That should be fine. I'll select it all, then I go to Path and use Difference. Then we go to Object, Fill and Stroke. I click on the X to get rid of Fill, and then I hold Shift and click on Black Color Swatch to give it a stroke. Let me increase the width on the stroke style. You can see these joints are very sharp, so let me round them right here with this function. Right now it's transparent, but I can also give it a white fill by simply clicking on the white color swatch. And thus I can create a bookmark icon in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.